OSCR stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is OSCR held stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of every single day action. And OSCR held for me just a bearish market. You know, I'm not even saying this in a bad way or anything. It's just the truth. If I zoom out, it's a very subjective truth. Let's put it this way, because you might look at this and be like, it's bullish, but for me, once I zoom out and I just understand this, we've been melting, we shifted the range, and we are just so close to grabbing all this liquidity that's just beneath us at 11 bucks. I'm like, yeah, the likelihood that the price keeps melting is quite high. And with that in mind, even if it does pump up and gives me a double break, I'm looking to take it further down. What I'm not going to do though is randomly start selling. You know what I mean? So that's how OSCR is looking like. And on top of it, I have about 9 results in the Discord as well. So let me know what is your opinion on this. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.